All right, so I want to make a little more room on the jobs layout here because we're going to be doing some more stuff to it, adding some more features, and I am pretty much out of room. So one of the ways that we can do that is we can use something called a tab control. Now, tab control is this button up here, and this basically creates a panel full of tabs. And so before I can do that, I've got to move some stuff out of the way. So I'm going to do a couple of things. I am going to condense what we have here just a little bit. Move this up here. Take a little bit of room out of the description there. And I'm just going to select everything here. And I'm going to hit Control R. And this is under Arrange as well as Group. Control R. That is something that's a little different than most graphic design software instead of a Control G. Control R for Group. Second letter, I guess. And then I've got the tab control here. I'm going to create a tab control layout here. And I'm going to, the main tab, which is the first tab, I'm going to call it Job Info and create. And then the second tab, I'm going to say Time Tracking, create. And so I want to make sure that Job Info is the default front tab. So that's when you first load the layout, that's the tab that's going to be there on the front. That's useful. And most of the time when you click into a job, you want to see the Job Info. So I want to make sure that's there. And then you can play with these other things here, but I'm going to click OK. And so now I've got a Job Info tab and a Time Tracking tab. And the tab, I don't really want to move it. I want it to stay in position. So I'm actually going to lock it. So I can go out up to Arrange and then Lock, and that's Control-Alt-L. And then I'm going to bring my group back, and hopefully it will just fit. It's got to fit on there perfectly. Okay, and I actually put it on the wrong tab. So Control-Z, back up. Let me go to the Job Info. I know it fits now, though. Put it there. And we can go to Objects, and it's clear that we've got the tab control, Job Info group, and everything's in place. So now I've got a Time Tracking tab and a Job Info tab. And let me just put some text here so I know I'm looking at the tab. Time Tracking tab. Put Time Tracking stuff here. It's a little under construction sign. And then we'll save that. And let's just go have a look. So there's all the job info, still all the same info as before. Then I can click there and go to time tracking. And now we can build a time tracking tool right here, which I am super excited about in the next video to show you.